morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a what I ate today. I actually feel like I haven't filmed one of these in months. So today that is exactly what I'm gonna do for you guys. I think I'm gonna have some cereal for breakfast, which is super random, but I don't know, it's quite warm outside, so I'm vibing some XO Crunch. If you're from Australia, you need to try this. It literally is like Cocoa Pops. So good. And I actually mix it with protein powder. So, okay, I'm clearly not a good YouTuber because my camera battery just died. So now I'm filming on my big camera. So sorry if the quality changes or if it's shaky. My camera is heavy. But anyway, we're gonna have some chocolate cereal with chocolate proteins. So, yum. At the moment I am tracking calories. I am in like a maintenance period, so nothing crazy, but I am gonna weigh out my food today. If you've never tried protein milk with cereal, it is literally a game changer. So all I do is add my milk into like a shaker bottle and then add a scoop of protein, shake it up, and then pour it over the cereal, and it's honestly so good, especially if you struggle to get protein in. I personally do struggle to get protein in my day, so this is a perfect way to kind of balance that out. And I also had a banana and a coffee this morning before I went to train clients. So I woke up at around 7, I had a client at 8, and now it is 9:15. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this. My arm already hurts. I'm gonna make this and then get some work done. Okay, so my vlogging camera is now charged, so I'm back using that one, and I'm about to make some lunch. It's literally only been a few hours, but I am starving today. I barely got any sleep last night. Like, I literally would say maybe 4 hours tops. So I feel like when I don't get enough sleep, I'm just like hungry 24/7 and nothing will keep me full. So yeah, I don't know about you guys, but that is what happens with me. So I'm going to heat up some lunch. Luckily, I already have meal prepped this week, so I don't have to waste too much time in the kitchen. I have so much work to do today, so I'm very glad that I can just pop this in the microwave and I'm good to go. So for lunch, I've got teriyaki chicken with sticky rice and edamame beans. Literally obsessed. It's so basic, but it just hits the spot and is just really good. I had so many people on Instagram ask me for the recipe for this. Honestly, it's just white rice, edamame, chicken tenderloins, and a like stir fry sauce. I use the brand Passage Asia, I think that's what it's called. It's one of the cleanest kind of sauce bases that I found. Usually I would make it myself, but when it comes to teriyaki, I'm not even gonna try. So I'm gonna heat this up and then I will show you guys what it looks like. And while that heats up, I've actually decided I'm going to make a coffee as well. Usually I don't have my afternoon coffee until about 3 p.m, but as I just said, I am so sleepy today. So I'm gonna make my coffee with my lunch. So I just got back from my walk and I also filmed a YouTube video, but I had a question for you guys. When you're watching What I Ate Today videos, do you like to see what else they're doing in a day, like kind of like a full vlog and things, or do you pretty much only click on the video to see food? Because I'm always like in that dilemma of, do I film me going for a walk, do I film my workout, do I film like whatever I'm doing, or do I only show my food? So please let me know below which ones you prefer, because I would love to know. There's no like right or wrong answer. But yeah, as I just said, I filmed a YouTube video. It was actually a health and fitness Q&A. So hopefully it somewhat helps you guys. If it's up before this, I will link it above. Otherwise, it'll be the video after this one. But yeah, it is now, I think like 3 p.m. So I'm gonna have a YoPro yogurt. These are my favorite. Literally 15 grams of protein, but only 90 something calories. So such a good snack. My absolute favorite is banana and also the caramel if I'm feeling something super sweet. But yeah, I only had strawberry left in the fridge, so I'm gonna eat that. And I've also got a little protein bar thing, It's from the brand The Bar Counter, and I used to be obsessed with these back in the day. Like, you've probably, if you've followed me for a long time, these are probably shown in my videos from like 5 years ago. So the company kindly reached out to me and sent me some of their products. So yeah, I'm gonna have one of these, not sponsored or anything. But yeah, so these are my 2 little protein snacks. Wow. So these are my 2 little snacks for the afternoon. I have back-to-back clients from 3:30 until 6:30. So I'll probably eat the yogurt now, and then I'll take the bar to have kind of like in between. And then yeah, when I get home at like 7, I think we will cook dinner. So yeah. Sorry about the really bad quality lighting at the moment. It is 6:35. I literally just walked in the door from training clients and I am starving. So I'm literally gonna put dinner on right away. And also I'm really excited for dessert. So the quicker I have dinner, the quicker I have dessert. But we are gonna make homemade Big Macs, I like to call them. I think I've shown them in a video before, but I can't remember. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me eat them all the time because it's actually my favorite meal ever. I'm obsessed with them. So you're going to need burger patties, or beef patties I should say. I use these burger thins from Tip Tops. They're like 80 something calories per like roll bun instead of 300 calories. So we just use Spud Light potatoes for the chips. Again, another low calorie option. And the star of the show is this burger sauce. It's focusing on Andy's head.
I am the star.
Can you see that? There we go. Burger sauce. That is what makes it taste like Big Macs. And then obviously lettuce. So all we're gonna do is cook up the beef patties, cook up the chips, and I am so excited. I'm sorry if I talk a lot about calories in this video. As I said at the start, I am tracking my calories at the moment, but I am in a maintenance phase. So yeah, let's cook up this dinner so that way I have dessert. So I've got my little dessert for the night, and it is homemade apple pie with some light vanilla ice cream, and I have been eating this every day for the past few days, and it is just so good. The recipe to the apple pie is actually in my ebook. If you haven't yet got your hands on that, the link is in my little description box. But yeah, it is so tasty, topped with vanilla ice cream and some more cinnamon. So good. But anyway, that pretty much ends my day, a day on my plate. As you guys can see, I like to eat a very balanced diet. I don't cut out any food groups or anything. I just love to kind of like healthify my favorite foods. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.